How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to set up an email system or an email routing system for your domains or websites under Cloudflare. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple and straightforward. And the first thing that we need to get out of the way is we want to make sure that we're logged into our Cloudflare account as an administrator. So once we're here and we're in the dashboard, you guys want to go to either websites or domains, and this should bring up Cloudflare should bring up a list of all of the registered websites and domains under your account. So from here, we actually get to configure each domain and set up an email routing system. So for this example, we'll be going to websites, and I'll be choosing this one right here. Let's actually wait for it to load. Okay, so here we are. So like I said, we want to make our selection. And from here, you'll see right away that on the left-hand side of the screen, there's an option or a tab that says email. So from there, I'm going to click on email. And right away, you'll see that there's an option that says email routing. So here's where you'll actually get to configure the email routing system for that specific domain or website. So what's going to happen here that is every time someone makes contact with the website or does an action or basically any form of engagement with your website or domain, an email will automatically be sent to the email that's tied to your Cloudflare account. Or additionally, you guys can set custom parameters like if they try to use the live chat function, assuming you have that plugin installed for that website or domain. If they try to use that for the website, the entire conversation would be routed to your email system. So to have all of that set up, it's quite simple, and it even reads here that you could use Gmail or Microsoft Outlook to actually set this up. So in most common cases, it's going to be Gmail. So for that website, let's say that the business email for that will be Gmail. So you simply want to input it. So we're going to click on Get Started. So we're going to put a custom address here. So this is what they'll actually be seeing. So this is what will be displayed when they try to contact our website. So it's going to be something like support or help desk at domain or website name, and you guys get the gist. And you want to select the destination email. So here's where you'll actually input the email. So where you want to receive it. So the entire conversation or basically the actions that were taken when they were on the website. So once you guys have all of that set up and everything seems good, simply click on create and continue and you're done. And that's how you can set up an email for your websites or domains in Cloudflare. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.